What is the formula in solving permutations taking n all at a time? The answer is letter C. For items number 2 and 3, problem. In how many possible ways can a runner get the first, second, and third place if there are 12 runners join the race? What is the value of n and r? The answer is B. Number 3, what type of permutation or combination is the above problem? The answer is C. For items number 4 and 5, problem. In how many ways can 5 people, A, B, C, D, and E, be seated at a round table? Number 4, what would be the formula of the problem presented above? The answer is C. Number 5, how many possible ways 5 people be seated at a round table? The answer is B. Number 6, how many distinct ways can we arrange the letters of the word 11? The answer is B. Number 7, how many possible 4-digit password can be formed from numbers 0 to 9 with no repetition of number? The answer is A. Number 8, how many ways can a committee form 7 groups out of 21 members in the organization? The answer is C. Number 9, how many ways can 9 persons be seated in a round table? The answer is B. Number 10, how many ways can 5 names be selected in a lucky draw with 15 names? The answer is B. Identify the following given problem, whether it is a permutation or combination. Write your answer on the space provided. Number 1, in how many ways can 10 people be seated in a circular position? The answer is permutation. Number 2, in how many ways can first, second, third, and fourth prizes be selected in a lucky draw ball with 20 names in it? The answer is combination. Number 3, in how many ways can we arrange distinctly the letters of the word mathematics? The answer is permutation. Number 4, in how many ways can we arrange 15 people to occupy the 4 vacant seats at the back of the driver's seat? The answer is permutation. Number 5, in how many ways can a president, a treasurer, and a secretary be chosen from among 7 candidates? The answer is combination. Complete the table by filling the identified keywords, permutation or combination, and what type of permutation or combination is the given problem. Okay, problems. Number 1, in how many ways can we arrange 9 different fruits, 3 in a row? Keyword is arrange, then permutation, then permutation of n taken r at a time without repetition. Number 2, how many distinct ways can be made from the letters of the word infinity? Okay, the keyword is distinct ways, then permutation, then distinguishable or distinct permutation. Number 3, in how many ways can 10 club members be seated in a round dining table? Keyword is arrange, then permutation, and circular permutation. Number 4, in how many ways can a committee consisting of 4 members be formed from 8 people? So, keyword is form, then combination, and combination of n taken r at a time without repetition. Number 5. How many possible 5-digit password can be formed from numbers 0 to 9 with repetition of number? Keyword is form, then combination of n taken r at a time with a repetition. Complete the flowchart to solve the problems. Problem 1. In how many ways can we arrange 8 different fruits if we want to arrange it 2 in a row? The keyword is arrange. Permutation or combination, the answer is permutation. Type of permutation or combination, the answer is permutation of n taken r at a time without repetition. The formula, that is permutation of n taken r at a time, is equal to n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial. Value of n and r, n is equal to 8, r is 2. Substitute, that is permutation of 8 taken 2 at a time is equal to 8 factorial over the quantity of 8 minus 2 factorial. Simplify and solve. So that is 8 factorial over 6 factorial is equal to 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial is equal to 56. Conclusion, therefore, there are 56 ways we can arrange 8 different fruits if we want to arrange it 2 in a row. Problem number 2. In how many ways can a commandant choose 3 platoon leaders from 21 Boy Scout members? Keyword is choose. Permutation or combination, the answer is combination. Type of permutation or combination, the answer is combination of n taken r at a time without repetition. Formula, that is a combination of n taken r at a time is equal to n factorial all over the quantity of n minus r factorial times r factorial. Value of n is 21, r is 3. Substitute, that is combination of 21 taken 3 at a time is equal to 21 factorial all over the quantity of 21 minus 3 factorial times 3 factorial. Simplify and solve, that is 21 factorial over 18 factorial times 3 factorial, which is equal to 21 times 20 times 19 times 18 factorial all over 18 factorial times 3 factorial, and the answer is 1330. Conclusion, therefore, there are 1330 ways can a commandant choose 3 platoon leaders from 21 Boy Scout members. In how many ways can 15 senior scouts be seated around a circular table for dinner? Keyword, that is ways, circular table. Permutation or combination, the answer is permutation. Type of permutation or combination, the answer is circular permutation. Formula, that is P is equal to the quantity of n minus 1 factorial. Value of n is 15, r is none. Substitute, that is P equals the quantity of 15 minus 1 factorial. Simplify and solve, that is 14 factorial is equal to 87,178,291,200. Conclusion, therefore, there are 87,178,291,200 ways can 15 senior scouts be seated around a circular table for a dinner. Solve the following problems. Write your solutions on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. In how many ways can 10 Boy Scout members arrange themselves at the bonfire in a circular position? The answer is 362,880. Number 2. In how many distinguishable ways can we arrange the letters of the word Mississippi? The answer is 34,650. Number 3. A platoon will select a leader, flag bearer, and a secretary from among 30 Boy Scout members. How many ways can these 3 be selected from the platoon? The answer is 4,060. Number 4. In how many ways can we arrange 10 Boy Scout members in a row? The answer is 3,628,800. Number 5. A Rover Scout wants to buy an ice cream with the following flavors: Rocky Road, chocolate, Obi cheese, strawberry, and mango. In how many ways can he select 2 flavors of ice cream for his members? The answer is 10. Encircle the letter of the correct answer for numbers 1 and 2. How many 4-digit numbers can be arranged from the digits 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9 if repetition is allowed? Number 1. What would be the formula to be used in the above problem? The answer is B. Number 2. In how many 4-digit numbers can be arranged? The answer is C. For numbers 3, 4, how many possible ways can a runner get the first, second, third place if there are 12 runners join the race? For number 3, what type of permutation or combination is stated in number 3? The answer is B. Number 4. In how many possible ways can a runner get the first, second, third place? The answer is B. Number 5. How many ways can we arrange 7 different flowers in a row? The answer is B. Number 6. How many ways can we arrange 9 persons be seated in a round table? The answer is C. Number 7. How many possible ways can 11 bottles of drinks can be arranged if it has 3 Cokes, 5 Sprites, and 3 Royals? The answer is A. Number 8. How many possible 4-digit password be formed from number 0 to 9 if repetition of digit is not allowed? The answer is B. Number 9. Donna has 25 pesos. She will use this money to buy cookies with the 5 different flavors. Each cookie is worth 5 pesos. How many combinations of these cookies can she buy? The answer is B. Number 10. A bookstore has 7 types of notebooks wherein you need to buy 3. How many different selections can you make it if repetition is allowed? 10 is C. Solve the following problems. Write your solutions in separate sheet of paper. Situation number 1. Graduation photo. A. In how many ways can 5 friends be arranged themselves for their graduation photo in a row? The answer is 120. B. In how many ways can they be arranged male and female together? The answer is 10. Situation number 2, that is classroom. A. In how many ways can a class choose a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer? The answer is 126. For B, in how many ways can we select 3 students to sit on the front row? The answer is 84. C, in how many ways can we arrange the students if we wish to arrange them in circular formation? The answer is 40,320.